Simple handbag cutting and stitching. Cutting and stitching. Ladies handbag. Pink bag cutting. Shape the round shape cutting. Off round. Handle piece. Frill piece. Two piece. 1, 2. Frill piece. Lining piece. Lining piece. Two piece round shape piece. Lining piece cutting. Same piece not cutting. Inside is frill piece. Frill piece measurement cutting. Cut the piece. This shape is lining piece cutting. This side frill piece attaching. This round shape attach the frill piece attaching. Inside piece, top side piece. Frill. Frill round. Frill the round shape. This shape is round shape. Frill attaching. Two piece ready the frill. One piece, two piece. Frill. Ready the two piece. Attach the lining piece. Lining piece. Top side pink piece. Attaching lining piece. Fabric piece, lining piece. Stitch this. Attaching and turn the piece. Stitching is inside folding. Stitch the top side. Stitching the top side. Ready. Two side piece. This is single piece. Stitch the frill top side. Frill side stitching. Attaching the two piece. joint round stitching, dividing center piece, dividing two sides, attach the zip attaching, folding the top side, handle piece ready, handle piece, attach the handle piece, attach the zip lock top side, zip attach, two side zip attaching, two side zip attaching, zip ready, and attach the round, joint round, zip edge stitching, round shape, attach the zip edge, zip edge attach, stitch round, open the zip, turn the back, frill pink handbag is ready, mobile, purse, cards, bag, ladies handbag, simple and easy method. Swing the handbag, pink handbag,